going on, boys, and welcome back to the channel. We are back at it again with another video. My name is Steven, and about 9 months ago I Suede wrapped my dashboard in Suede. I use a company, or may I say an app, Alibaba. I'll go ahead and put the link of the product I use in the description below. But it was 32 bucks. Now I'm not sure if it's still $32, but it should be in that same range. Let me say, guys, it's awesome, man. The product is awesome. I have my car in the garage, so Florida weather is super hot and super musty and whatnot. So I don't know if that counts, but yeah, guys, it's not easy, but it's holding up, guys. It's holding up. It still looks good. Now I do have some issues here and there, and we'll go over them. But man, not only did I do my dashboard, I did my whole interior, guys. I did it all. I spent about $150 and I did my whole interior. I decided to do my whole interior. And yeah, I love it. I love it so far. When it comes to issues, you will have issues if your dashboard is wavy. So if it has a lot of dips or waves, then you're going to get issues. Why? Because whenever you have a wave, or when I say wave, I mean, like, for example, here, you see, so this is a bubble right here, and we'll speak on that. This is a bubble that I have here. This is about 2 weeks of a bubble that I got. Now, a lot of you guys might say, Steven, why? What's going on here? I don't know. It's a dashboard. The way my dashboard is, it dips down and then it goes up. So I guess air gets trapped in the gaps. See that? That's a big, humongous air. Now, of course, me when I first saw it, it happened like the second week I did it. 2 weeks after I did it, and of course I grabbed a little small knife and I just did an incision right here, somewhere around here, I don't know, and it worked wonders. It got flat, but it worked wonders, and the air was able to leave. But guess what? After 2-3 weeks, the bubble was even bigger. So do not do that. Do not do that. What's been working for me, it's something very simple, and it's just lifting this portion up. I do have defroster vents, so I do have a little thing that I've been using, so I'll just lift this thing up a little bit, and then just push the air out. So I'll come, you see the bubble right there, and then that's it, the bubble left. And then that's it, no more bubble. Okay, there's a little bubble right here, push it this way, and then that's it, and no more bubble. And then you come and you close it, and then that's it. I gotta fix it a little bit because there's a bubble right here, but we'll do that. But that's what I've been doing, guys, and that's because I have a wavy dashboard. I'm pretty sure if your dashboard is flat, like in these areas, no issues whatsoever. No issues whatsoever. It's just right here. For my MR2 peeps, it's just right here because of the wavy dashboard. So I have the same issue here. So here you'll get, you see right there. So again, this is I'll say 2 weeks, maybe 3 weeks of not massaging it and whatnot. So this is the only con that I have on my car. But these portions that are flat and whatnot, zero issues whatsoever. Zero issues whatsoever. No issues whatsoever. It's just here. Just here. But guys, man, for 32 bucks, you just can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong. Now, if you're trying to install it, I highly suggest remove the windshield. If you can't remove the windshield, remove the dashboard. If you don't want to remove the dashboard, then you know what? Whenever you buy the product, I'm gonna show you something simple. Whenever you buy the product is gonna be super huge. Pause. So what you're gonna do is you're going to cut. I'll say you want at least one third of the product and you lay it in the back first. Why? Because the product is super big and it's just going to be super uncomfortable to be working with that much product. So cut the product 1/3 and start from the back. So how can I let me get something here so I can show you. So for example, let me see if I get something here. Give you guys. All right. So let's say this is the product that I cut. I'll start in the back. Once I start in the back, right? I'll have, of course, most of my dashboard is gonna be completed in the back, but then missing here in the front. Then I'll get my second piece or the big piece, and then I'll just cover it on top, right there. And that way you'll have, you know, a lot of leeway to mess around with the product and whatnot. And people are not going to be able to notice. Now, if you do the opposite and you do the same thing, but you start from the front instead from the back, then whenever you do that, let's say you start from the front and then you get you get a small piece just to do the front, and then you come and you do the back. People who are sitting down here in the seats are going to notice, are going to see that, hey, there's the second piece. So perfect example. I'm going to give you the perfect example here. When I got the product was not big enough or wide enough. Pause. So as you guys can see, there was a missing portion right here. I grabbed a little piece, I slapped it on, and then I grabbed the main piece, which is this one, and I just covered it. Now you could barely tell unless you really like notice. You see it right there, but you could barely tell. So that's my advice for you guys. That's pretty much it, man. To clean it, I usually just get a brush and just brush it, or use my hands, whatever you want. But man, guys, for 32 bucks, or I don't know how much it is, but it should be in the same range, 35, maybe 40. Man, you just can't go wrong, guys. You just can't go wrong. I love it. I've had it for 9 months now, and man, you just can't go wrong. You just can't go wrong. So hope this guys helps out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and man, if you do decide to do it, send me some pictures, yeah. But anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. And yeah, man, this is my interior. Let me give you a sneak peek of how it looks, and we'll continue to the next video and whatnot. Oh yeah. So as you guys can see, most of my interior is not installed. Everything is pretty much just loose and whatnot, but everything is wrapped. That's wrapped. That's wrapped. That's wrapped. This is wrapped. This is wrapped. It was a total of $150 and whatnot. And yeah, guys, that's what I got. That is what I got. Yeah, it's just I'm still working with these lights right here, but I'm gonna remove them because I don't like them. But yeah, guys, that's what I got. So this car is pretty much done. Just a quick update, guys. This car is pretty much done. This is a 2GR MR2. I pretty much just finished it. Everything is completed. We pretty much did the whole interior. We painted. We did pretty much everything. We did the front. We did the wrap. We plastic dipped the wheels, the mirrors, engine bay shave, wire tuck, 2GR. Man, the drag wheels. Pretty much this car's pretty much done. Now, guys, the new update, we're going to tackle this car, guys. This is the main thing now. So I can't wait. I'm gonna turn it on. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I'm gonna turn it on. I haven't turned it on in about 8, maybe 9 months. So I'm gonna turn it on. Hopefully it turns on, because you know, you never know with these cars. So expect, guys, more content on this bad boy and whatnot. 2GR is going on the SW20 that I have in Miami, the gray one, and we also have the AW11 outside. I'm debating between selling it or sending it out to paint, just so that we can enjoy it and whatnot. But yeah, guys, that's what I got, guys. And last but not least, I can't wait. We just ordered a whole bunch of small toys, books, it was not Lego, it was what's it called? These small little cars. We're gonna do like a memorabilia, whatever you want to call it. We're gonna do here, so it's gonna be super nice. I'm gonna do a video just for it, and we're gonna have some rare parts. But guys, that's what I got. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you guys, and I'll see you guys soon. Dale.